You're back and I'm back, and this is part 2 of the Miami Boat Show. And in case you guys didn't see part 1, well, I showed how easy it is to get to the boat show without dealing with none of the parking hassle, traffic, and road construction if you take the Metro Rail. And the Metro Rail, you can get it right out the Palmetto. That's the most west station there is, and there is another one by I-95, so it depends which way you're coming down south. I arrived at the boat show at the Miami Herald location around 12 o'clock, and right as I came in, right by the door, this little yellow car/boat caught my eye with a very friendly and informative sales staff.
Hi guys, how are you? Today we are at the Miami International Boat Show. Look at this, we bring something very special from Italy, and it's the 500 Fiat.
And if you want to watch the full detailed video of that vessel, you can watch part 1. And after viewing a few more models, we decided to go outside, and that's when we noticed that a lot of European design vessels, from the small center consoles to the big yachts, and these designs are only been in Florida for a few years, and this year it brought more new models like this new design from Worldcraft. All right guys, so we're gonna jump on a 38 Worldcraft European style, another well, I want to call them pilot boats because the way everything is enclosed. Then we're gonna jump right in quick. We're gonna go inside. Wow, this is much spacier. Yeah, well, yeah, definitely. If you guys, for ladies that want to mess up their hair, want to go on the water, this is definitely your boat. Look at that. Oh, I like the helm. Pretty simple, pretty, simple but nice. And then you got a great view out the front. And then this cockpit has AC because I feel it already. Oh, there it is. There's AC vent. So you're cruising. You're cruising with a AC. And you got a little dinette area here. And then you got the little cooktop. And then I guess somewhere here's a fridge. I guess touch here, right? No, I guess it's just storage. Maybe the fridge is inside. Talk about inside. Let's go check out inside, because you know me, I like being inside things. Let's see. Check out the inside. Ooh, yeah. Wow. Feels like you're on a yacht because of all the wood accents. Really nice. Oh, I love the windows. Oh yeah, look at a window there, window there, window up there, and then another window here, and another window here. Pretty nice. So yeah, definitely if you're a couple, got no kids, this is your type of boat. Pretty nice. Check out the head. Let's check out the head. Ooh, yes. I like it, man. I like it. Yes. This is really cool. Oh, more windows. Just are closed. And you got some up there, some up there. Yeah, this is really nice, guys. Wow. Luxury and room. But yeah, this is I want to call it mini yacht. Pretty cool. I like it. It's really nice. Check out more of the outside. But yeah, it's really nice. Oh yeah, it has a door there. You can get out through there if you want, or out the back. Talk about the back. Let's check out the back. It has triple 350s, I think. Pretty nice. Check out the front. Oh yeah, gunnels are deep, 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 deep. Yeah, I guess they're bringing the European style boats to Miami. Oh yeah, I like this little canopy there. Oh, super nice. Check that out. Awesome sun pad. And you got your windlass there. Yeah, it's really nice. Super cool. Yeah, this is nice. Super cool. A lot of room to walk. Hang out. The whole thing could be enclosed. And you have another little catwalk on the side here. You get to the front here too. So it's really nice. Like the material. Nice. Oh, got a bumper holder. Super nice. Don't know the speed. I don't know any numbers on the boat, but it's pretty nice. Let me see what's here. I guess sunroof. Pretty cool. Oh, another sunroof. So it's a triple sunroof. Oh, how do you open this? Okay, you open it here. Yeah, another sunroof. Super awesome. Yeah, look at that. Like, pretty nice. So there you go, guys. The new, this is brand new Worldcraft. 38 foot. I want to call it a pilot house. I don't know. What you want to call it?
Just try to make it different.
Oh, wow.
Alright, I'll follow you. This is something. Everybody's going.
Okay, guys, so I'm gonna check out this 42-foot Aquila powered catamaran, because you guys know that I'm searching for one for the future. So check it out from the inside. Let's check it out real quick. Wow, it's very stable. I like the back. 42 foot. There's the price, right? It's $1,300,000. There we go. $1,300,000, baby. $1,300,000. Look at the back. Wow, this is pretty cool. It has all kinds of area here. So this is a lounging area in the back, a little fridge, and then Alvida's lounging. And can we walk on the side? No, it's a little tricky to walk on the side. Let's check out the inside then. Let's check out the inside. We have the galley area there. Oh yeah. So this one's 2-bedroom. We got one bed here. Oh my god, I love these windows. Oh my god, I love these windows. We got one head here with an enclosed shower. Look at that. Yeah, ooh, love that window. Brush my teeth when I look outside. A little sink. This is awesome. And then we walk out to the main area.
More concerned about, I would do it only because I talked to
Check out that home. Pretty
James.
simple, but
And
good
said,
to go. Nice
everybody wants
clarity to the front.
when they ran it over here.
Look at that. And you can have actually the partner hang out with you while you're driving. And then you can always walk to the front. Look at this. This is pretty cool. This is like a all the way around boat. Look at that. Love it. Got your windlass there. And look at that. You got two, not one, but two sun pads. And there you go. You can drive with the AC, go wherever you want. And look at this, got another little sitting area there to hang out. Yeah, this is pretty cool. Yeah, this is really nice. And then you have one room there. And we have room number two. Room number two. So this is 2-bedroom, 2-bath. There we go. Another bathroom. Love it. Step ahead. Look at that.
Yeah.
Awesome right there. Loving it.
Yeah, it's like, I had a feeling he was talking to them.
Yeah. So you have the galley. And the fridge is right here.
I mean, after talking to these guys, it's going to be better for resale. It's going to be better. I think you'll see.
Yeah, this is pretty nice. Pretty nice. I like it. Nice. And it has twin outboards. No headaches. Twin outboards, no headaches. Super nice. Super nice right there. Look at that. I like it. It's not trailable, but it's nice though. I like it. I like the layout. I like the 2 rooms. Yeah, super nice. So you can shoot over to Bimini, hang out for the weekend, come back, and go down wherever you want. Look at that. Awesome. And then we have the usual suspects. This is HCB with another giant monster. I think it's even bigger. Yep. That's like a super size center console. See what it has in the back. What does it have? Oh my gosh, what does it have? Look at this. Look at this. Oh my gosh. So this is the big daddy of them all. This is an Estrella right here. I guess this is the new model for this year. But I like this little one here. This is a 39-foot HCB. This is more like a regular center console. Let's check it out. This is powered by triple 400 Mercs. This is like, yeah, there's another, you call it sandbar, hang out, island, hopping, cruising to Bimini center console. Check it out. Right here. I like the dash layout. It's pretty awesome. And you get blocked all the wind while you're cruising, doing 85. No, I'm just kidding. I don't know what the speed is, but sure looks nice. I like the layout of the dash. Really nice. See, this is a regular center console. But I like the new design. It's really, really nice. And you can still use it for fishing. And then the ladies can hang out here in the front, no problem. And then you got your windlass. Yep. And you can actually, for my kids that like fishing on top, I guess they'll stand here and fish. But yeah, this is a regular HCB center console. Not their giant center console, but I like it. I like it. Let's check out the cabin. I like the sun pad for the ladies. You know, you gotta think about the kids and the ladies. That's just me. Yeah, let's check out the center. Let's check out what's inside here. Oh, it's pretty good. Not bad at all. Not bad at all. That's the little bed. The little head, the little I guess sink there with the head there. Pretty nice. Yeah. So yeah, I mean, maybe 2 adults, 1 kid. Look at that. I can actually stand inside the head. You know what I'm saying? I mean, the center console. And here's the head itself. Pretty good. Where's the shower? Oh, I guess right here. No, it's a toilet paper. Where is the shower? No shower, man. So where do you take a shower at? In here? I don't think you can take a shower out here though. But yeah, it's a little galley area. Yeah, I guess it's like a weekender. You can hang out at the sandbar for the weekend and then go home. But it's nice though. Oh, I like the little window. I like that little window there. That one there. Pretty cool. So here we go. If you're not looking for something so big, we got a 39 HCB. Look at this. Yeah, this is a sandbar boat. Check out the sound system. Yeah, definitely it's a sandbar boat with a lot of room to hang out at the sandbar. Look at that. Pretty nice. There you go. This is the little brother of the big brother. Or the dad. But yeah, really nice. You can fish off the back. Yeah, nice. Nice. Hard top. Really cool. Side door. Nice, nice. There it is, overview. Really nice, guys. What do you think? Right? I think it's nice. 39 foot. Not so big, not so small. You can cross over to the islands, hang out for the day, and have a lot of fun in this. Okay, so I'm gonna jump on the boat show shuttle and head over to the Miami Beach Convention Center, because there we have Alfred, Alamar, and Perfect Fit Boating waiting for us at the Suzuki booth. And by the way, guys, remember that all next week we're gonna be on the Whiskey Throttle Cruise, leaving from Fort Lauderdale to Key West, and then Key West to Bimini, Bahamas, and then back to Fort Lauderdale on Friday. And you know we're gonna have some fun in the sun, because I'm taking the whole Fresco Channel family, and Alfred is taking the whole Montaner family. family of his own too. Plus, we're taking about 50 lucky subscribers that signed up for the cruise, and we're gonna be filming everything. The only question is, I don't know if I'm gonna have enough time to edit and upload it on YouTube. So just in case, if you don't see me upload nothing, don't worry, I'll put it next week. And the cool thing about it is you're gonna have 2 video perspective, because I'll be filming my own episodes, so is Alfred. But we're gonna try to do a few lives and reels for Instagram. And for those that missed it this time, well, we have more coming in the future. And you definitely have to keep your eyes open on Instagram and YouTube community posts, because summer is just around the corner and the sandbar life fun is about to begin.
All right, guys, so now we're here at the convention center. How you doing, man?
Good, man. I watch your channel. Love it.
How you, man?
Stuff, man?
All right. So now we're at the convention center. Let's go check inside. They got to meet up with Suzuki. All right, I'm gonna tell you guys why I like the convention center. Cause it has AC. So now we're gonna go in through Aldi, wherever that's at. I don't know. But the bus ride takes forever here. Last year I did the ferry and it was much faster, so recommended take the ferry, baby. Oh, there it is. Suzuki, baby. Suzuki. Mira Suzuki. Let's go find Suzuki Doogie. Suzuki Doogie. Suzuki Doogie. Suzuki Doogie. There it is. Suzuki, baby. Suzuki. Oh, we got 2 sides. Check it out, guys. Here's the white side. And there's the black side. And we got the man in the house right there. And here it is. We got Reliable, we got Alamar, and Perfect Fit Boating. How does it feel to be the #1 Suzuki dealer in USA?
Feels good, feels good. You know, a lot of hard work, a lot of dedication, and we're going to try to maintain the position.
We're going to do it. We're going to do it again, right?
Good afternoon and welcome to the Miami International Boat Show 2025. I am Brandon Circa, General Manager of Sales and Marketing for Suzuki Marine. With me today, I have our President, Sam Suyama, EVP, Daiki Sugiura, EVP, gosh, I might not know him, he's new. And then we have Jacob Ewing, General Manager of Operations. Along, we have some Suzuki Marine distributors and subsidiaries from around the world and special guests from Suzuki Motor Corporation in Japan. This anniversary not only honors our heritage in the boating industry, but also marks the dawn of a new era for Suzuki. Now, I would like our president to offer the traditional saying in Japanese to open the sake barrel. Thank you very much.
Oh, okay. Okay. Thank you.
Here, you stand here and I'll hold the video.
No, do you want me to
No,
just I don't know. It's a shot right here. I don't know your name.
This was an amazing VIP event hosted by Suzuki on the first day. Had a great pleasure meeting Robert from Deer Meat for dinner, and also make sure to call up and check out Reliable Marine for Suzuki specials and rebates for 2025.